Welcome back again. My name is Jerry with Sky Management, and today I wanted to talk to you guys just a little bit about some of the tools that we use to accomplish our day-to-day tasks that we use here. And I could tell you that over the years that we've been doing this, we've tried a lot of different brands of tools, a lot of different batteries, a lot of different corded tools, cordless tools, you name it, we've probably tried it. But in the end of the day, if you're going to ever have multiple properties, multiple vehicles that are going to the properties, to be able to simplify things and use one type of tool with one type of battery is just absolutely imperative. I cannot tell you the amount of times that we've gotten to a property or job site to fix something only to find out we didn't have the right batteries that went with the right tools. This set, the Ryobi One set, which you can get at your local Home Depot, is really geared more towards a residential set. But these things are fantastic. We've been using these tools now for about 4 years. We've not had a single one of them break. Every one of them still works fine. All the batteries still work fine. They come in standard batteries and also large amp hour batteries like this one. They're an 18-volt system. They're easy to load in, easy to use. They come in a variety of tools. I don't know how many tools they're up to now, but it's well over 100 tools I think they use, including radios, blowers, lawn mowers, I mean anything that you want. And the nice part is you can buy a basic set that really comes with a half a dozen tools in it for about $200 from Home Depot. And then the price just goes up from there, but you can piecemeal in and add the additional tools that you want. If you have specialized tools to do the job. I know we don't have some of them here because I'm using it in my house, but there's tools like 18-foot pole saws that you can get that use the same batteries that you can use to cut down high limbs. There's weed whacking equipment that you can get. There's edging tools. There's all kinds of stuff. Some of the basic ones that we use on a daily basis though are things like this wireless brad nailer. Also comes in a finished nailer system that's a little bit bigger. Again, uses the same standard battery, works great for putting up trim and things like that. We've also used the impact driver or hammer type impact driver there. And all of these come with a little magnetic strip on there, which has been fantastic because you always end up taking out screws and washers and so forth and losing them. And they've integrated that right into there, which is nice. Most of these also have a lighting function that allows you to light up the screws that you're driving in, which is also nice. Probably my brother's favorite tool amongst all these would be the impact driver. I know he wouldn't be caught dead without one, and you got to have one of those for driving in the stubborn nails. One of my personal favorites, and obviously heavily used, is the Sawsall equipment as the dust comes falling out. We use this thing to cut everything from tree roots to metal bars to drywall to anything you name it, and you just simply change out the blades by pulling the lever on the side and sliding the blade out, and you can change it to wood cutting blades. This one happens to be a metal blade that's on there, and you can swap those out pretty easily. And again, whenever your batteries do happen to die, because anything with a battery does, you just simply pop in another one. And as you acquire these tools, most of them come with an additional battery, so it's real easy to accumulate a half a dozen to a dozen batteries. And again, then when you've got them spread around several properties in your car, in your house, wherever, you can always just simply grab one, plug it in, you're ready to go. Some of the lesser used tools, I would imagine, would probably be things like this little guy here, which is an oscillating tool that has different attachments on it. We don't typically use this one that often because it's more often for some detail oriented work that we just really don't use a lot of, but it is a nice tool to have. And the same goes for the variable speed jigsaw here. I actually just used it the other day to cut something on a 45-degree angle, and it worked out really well to do that. And again, same batteries, variable speed. We've actually got multiple sets of these tools now at multiple locations. The nice other part is again, Home Depots are pretty much everywhere. If you happen to lose a tool, they're inexpensive. It's not like you're paying hundreds of dollars for each piece of equipment, and it's real easy to go pick up another set to go ahead and work on another project. No, these tools are great. Again, I would highly recommend any of these tools to anybody out there. The last set we had didn't hold up, and people are constantly changing their batteries around and different adapters and different so forth. And these guys, again, have been constant the last 4 years. Absolutely love them. I would definitely give them a high rating and my 2 thumbs up for that product, and would hope you guys would like it too.
If you have any questions or comments, hit us up down below, like our videos, and subscribe to our page to keep up with us.